from Saturday the 26th of May until Monday the 28th of May.
This is for replace trains between Leamington and New Street and Coventry due to improvement works.
Hi there. Woo, yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will very shortly be arriving at Leamington Spa, where this service completes its journey. Please do take a moment to make sure you have all of your luggage and personal belongings with you before you leave the train. Keep them with you at all times, and please do take care of zipping down from the train to the platform edge. If you are leaving the station here, please have your tickets and passes to hand for the barriers located downstairs. We are now arriving at Leamington Spa, our next and final station call. All change please, all change. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kenilworth. Ladies and gentlemen, we will shortly be arriving at Coventry, where the service completes its journey. Please do take a moment to make sure you have all of your luggage and personal belongings with you before you leave the train. Keep them with you at all times. And please take care of stepping down from the train to the platform edge. This is Coventry, our next and final station call. All change please, all change.
your right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016.